is subject, here is subject, and say Ergonica. So let's get started.
Who is having wood spinner? Can you show us your fidget spinners?
I got pink, she got green.
Okay, show everyone please.
Two, she got this one.
Whoa.
And she got the light up one.
Oh, is it light? Tom, show me the light.
Okay, I'll walk over there.
No, Nini. Oh, okay.
I'm coloring the pink. She's
Okay.
coloring the green.
Whoa, that's great.
She's orange.
Okay, let's go for it, guys. And then we gotta play with the colored ones, right? What?
Oh,
looks nice.
and make sure to subscribe and hit that like button.
Thumbs up.
Okay.
Okay. Come on guys, move. This is too fast. Come here, show me. Whoa, nice one. Yeah. Again, once for me. Whoa. Try once more, please. Okay. Whoa, nice.
Marker all over her hands.
Oh my God. Okay, we need to clean it. Okay, that looks nice, Sorbia. Can you show us, please? How is it now? Ooh, looks nice. Whoa, very nice. Show us, guys. Your time is up. We need to. Whoa! Show me. Yes. Yeah. Show me, please. And here you go. Okay, guys, let's play. Let's play now. Okay, start the spinning.
Mine looks like the blue and the pink.
Show me. Yeah. Whoa.
Nice.
Nice rainbow colors or blue.
Forward.
Yeah, it's blue and green.
Can you spin it? Spin it.
Spin. Yeah. Try. Wow. Okay, spin all the four. Please. Yeah, leave it down. Here we go, guys. The colors fidget spinners. Brought to you by PapaGoat.